Is it? Is that right? What happened then? Is that your noisy sister? Is it? Is that your noisy sister? She is so noisy, isn't she? I know. She's a noisy girl. Do you have to put her with lots of shouting every day? Do you? Is it hard making your voice heard? I know. It's not fair, is it? It's not fair. Do you like your outfit? Do you like your outfit? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's a nice outfit. Yeah. So we think that's enough videoing for a minute? Say bye. Say bye.